Hi guys, my name's Old Ben Jenkins, and today Blake brought me to play drop at the dang drop side.
Real shit.
I'm back in Washington. I know it hurts, but it just got oh shit.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, get that deep inside there.
The fucking. But
No, man.
This motherfucker knows a different language. Are you sure he's American?
you talking Taco Bell, boy?
Come on now, what the fucking around here? Nah, I can't reach it.
Keep playing.
Oh, yeah, this motherfucking
No, 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 no.
This
No,
fucking
no, no,
dipshit
no, no.
What about me?
motherfucker.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, I know what to say, what to say, what to say.
That's got it right there. That's got it. You just gotta let it. You just gotta let it. Just gotta get out. Mhm.
Oh shit, bro.
Bro hit a mid gulp.
Oh shit, bro.
Bro said out.
My fucking fiance probably thinks that I'm.
Retarded.
Oh no, she knows that.
Yeah, I know you right there, right. I got
Fucking.
it. If we
Oh,
win,
bro,
I give
so
y'all that gum slap later.
fuck.
We got him. I mean, if we play smart, we might. Well, no. There,
Yeah, shit.
I'm missing.
Get the fuck inside a hole. Listen to me. You need to shoot a gun. Nope, 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 nope. Fuck. Hey, look at that placement. Come on now.
You know shit.
Oh, get the.
Oh, I got it, bro. Oh,
A
fuck.
ding a ding a ding a ding a ring a ding a ding a ding.
Oh, get shot.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just like and subscribe for to help old man Jenkins out.